So we are just about to get going on the ferry. It is very rocky, so it's going to be an interesting ride over. The ferry that we're going on, as you can see, it is old school. The life jackets right underneath. Okay, so maybe it's not so much queer glamping that we are doing. We are walking in, got a huge backpack on. There's Zinnia pushing the wheelbarrow, doing a fantastic job. We will hopefully be to our site very soon, but it is beautiful around here. Wait for it. This is where we live. We live in BC, Canada, and this is what we get to be surrounded by. Recognize just how privileged I am and lucky I am to be living on these lands, and really excited for the next couple of days. Hey folks, we finally made it to our campsite, and I'm going to show you the view that we have from our picnic table. That is what we get to wake up to for the next 2 days. How beautiful is that? And this is where our tent is gonna go. Our 5-person tent that is 6x6'2", because I refuse to use a tent that I need to duck into. So get to walk right into it, and yeah, so let's get going. Hey folks, so we're here, our first morning. Slept really well. The mat was good. Hips a little sore, but overall was a really good sleep. And gonna be making some coffee now. Very excited because to me there is nothing better than camping coffee. And here we are cooking breakfast. A lovely little yam, sweet potato, egg, kale scramble. So, in case anyone was wondering what queer camping footwear looked like, hey folks, oh, gonna take Zinnia out of the shot. We are going on an adventure. We are going on some of the trails that are around where we're camping. We're gonna be heading to the lookout, and we'll show you folks when we get there. One of the things that I absolutely loved when I first moved to British Columbia are arbutus trees. They are amazing. I just said to Zinnia, I'm like, oh, I didn't realize there were arbutus shrubs. And she's like, no, it just fell over. We just came across a sign that said cougar sighting in area. I'm freaking out. I have asked Zinnia to pick up some sticks, as some of the directions were if you come across a cougar, throw sticks at it. So it's Zinnia's responsibility to fight off the cougar while I videotape it. So let's hope that that doesn't happen. Thankfully, a cougar did not attack us. I kept looking behind us for fear that it was going to be sneaking up upon us. But again, like I said, Zinnia had sticks, so would have been able to fend off the cougar if it were to attack. I believe that we have come to the lookout. Here it is. So beautiful. You can see Sydney over there. So Zinnia just pointed out that there is some poop over there. I just went to confirm that indeed it is, and it is. So needless to say, I am crapping myself right now that there is a cougar that could come right up behind us at any point. So I don't think we're going to be sitting here for too long. We're going to be packing up and heading out very soon.
No cougar. Cougar, stay away. Cougar.
That's my very scary noises that I make to ensure that cougars are not going to attack us. Just wondering, I just said to Zinnia, I wonder if you were to smear yourself in cougar poop, if that would attract them or deter them. If anyone knows, comment down below. Can hear a lot of birds chirping. Someone has made a whole bunch of little bird houses up here. It's like a whole oceanfront condos for birds. This is our last night. Didn't do a lot of videotaping today because just wanted to enjoy the time here. And we decided to take the fly off the tent because it was so warm. And so this is what it looks like. It might be a little chilly tonight, but look at the amazing view we have while we lie in bed. So yeah, so tomorrow we're heading off tomorrow, but tonight we're just going to be chilling out, doing some reading, relaxing, and enjoying this beautiful environment.